Hello, I'm Justin from RAKASHI workshop, and today I want to talk about brand new shining 3D scanner EINSTAR VEGA. We are huge 3D scanning users daily because we are using 3D scanning for custom body kits. As you can see, we're building over here our BMW E90 drift car wide body kit. We used our EINSTAR scanner to scan this specific car to build our wide body kit, and today I want to show you how we're gonna use EINSTAR VEGA all-in-one scanner for this E46 drift build. Before we start, I got a little secret which was sent for us by Shining 3D. As you can see, I have quite huge hands and it's a little bit difficult for me to use and to hold VEGA, so I got special bracket for the holder for the VEGA, for the big hands like mine. I'm really happy that Shining 3D listened to my feedback about big-handed users, and we just instantly, after receiving the feedback, started designing one and sent me to try. It snaps right in. I'm gonna use simple screw from the Swiss tripod, to hold it in place, and it's ready to use for the big handers. Okay, while VEGA is booting, I'm gonna prepare the car. Preparation done. Now I'm going to use VEGA out of the box without changing any settings or tweaking anything, and we will see how it's gonna work. For a workshop like ours, where we build lots of custom stuff, the 3D scanner is a must. It helps us to save lots of time, build things much faster and much easier, doing less mistakes, and definitely saving costs. Also, what is really important for us, and I think for every workshop that would work on a custom project, is to have data quality indicator, like I do right now on the VEGA, which helps us to understand and to work more efficient rather than scanning over and over again, to understand if you have enough data. It's really great to see if you need to work more on your scan or if it's enough. I can simply inspect the scan to see if it requires more scan data or I'm good enough. As I'm going to work only with this area, it's more than enough that I have over here, so I can just simply finish it. As VEGA is all-in-one device, I can just simply, if I want, edit the scan here on the spot. You can definitely work over here directly in VEGA, or you can import your scan into the PC or Mac, where you can use their brand new software called StarVision. I don't know if we gonna use the same software for the regular EINSTAR, but I need to ask them for this. StarVision is currently in alpha. It still requires things to be done. As I removed the unnecessary data, I can simply use one-click fast reconstruction and build the mesh. After that, I'm gonna send it to the brand new Shining 3D cloud for our engineer, and he will prepare the new part without spending too much time. Our engineer was able to produce such a part for ECU master engine control module and power management unit. As you can see, the part fits like a glove. It just stays in the place without wobbling or anything, and we were able to achieve such a result because of the 3D scanning. So VEGA is definitely a game changer. From our perspective, every workshop should have 3D scanner because it helps produce better quality parts, it helps save time, and by saving time we can spend more time on the track.